Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to hide owner in Google Drive, full 2026 guide. If you've ever shared files but wanted a little extra privacy, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you get things set up the right way. So let's dive in and get started. First, we begin by heading over to the main home screen of Google Drive. This is where everything starts, so just make sure you're signed into your account and ready to go. Show image. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on Drive. This will take you right into your main storage area where all your folders and files are located. Show image. After that loads, click on My Drive. This is the section where all your personal files live, and it's the place where you'll choose the item you want to adjust. Show image. Next, select any file from inside My Drive that you want to work with. Just click once to highlight it, and you'll see more options appear at the top. Show image. From there, click on Share. This will open the sharing window where we make all the permission changes needed to help you hide the owner information. Show image. Inside the sharing window, look for the option labeled Anyone with the link and click on it. This is the setting that controls how broadly your file is shared across the web. Show image. Once that dropdown opens, switch it to Restricted. This action ensures that only the people you directly approve can access the file, giving you more control over what others see. Show image. After making that change, click on Done to save everything. This closes the window and locks in your updated privacy settings. Show image. Now go back and click on the folder named MR Project. You'll want to access it so you can repeat the same permissions process for the entire folder if needed. Show image. Inside that folder, click on Share again. This is where you'll manage the visibility of the folder itself and keep everything consistent across your work. Show image. And once again, finish by clicking Done. With that, your settings will be fully applied and your privacy will be exactly how you want it. Show image. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide owner in Google Drive using the complete 2026 method. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.